Ever feel like we're all so focused on being grown-ups that we forgot how to be kids? I'm sure STEM has its perks, but what about the powerful magic of imagination? For some of us, that's all we've ever had. It's all we've ever known. Well, this channel's like a big old playground for creativity. Now, I'm not the best artist in the world, but I'm here to draw with you if you want. Here to remind us both that it's totally cool to unleash our inner kid, dive headfirst into a world of make-believe monsters and impossible art. And if you agree that science, technology, engineering, and math is all most people focus on, like this place I saw the other day, then let's pick up our art supplies and remember that what it's like to dream and feel mentally stimulated and creative and awake, however you feel when you do art. Subscribe. Let me know you're watching these. We can rediscover the joy of being young at heart, let our creative imaginations run wild together.